briefly address the council regarding an issue that came up at the last council meeting. And it is a good opportunity that was raised by Councilman Benson regarding the use of emails with regard to the application of the Colorado Open Meetings Law. Using emails is risky when it involves more than someone on the council sending to 2 or more other council members, because if 3 council members are involved in a discussion, then you've got a problem with the open meetings law, because emails are included as part of the communication that's prohibited under the open meetings law if 3 or more members participate without posting notice and allowing other people to be involved. Well, that's an almost impossibility when you're dealing with computers these days. But having said that, it is risky, but if a council member is simply making an announcement of something and not discussing an issue and sends it to the city manager, that's the safest way to do it. And that's the way Councilman McEldowney did that, except that if all members of the council are copied and then there's a response from another council member, there you've got what the law considers a discussion ensuing, because you've got communication going back and forth from one council member to 2 or more other council members. So the bottom line of what I'm saying, and that opinion, by the way, is written for your information that I handed it out. But the bottom line of what I'm saying is that if you're going to use emails, don't respond to each other, because now you've opened up a discussion under the open meetings law. You're just going to announce something, that's fine. A better way of doing it, though, if I were trying to be very conservative and careful with that open meetings law, would probably be to send my information to the city manager and ask him to forward it on, and don't ask for a response from other council members, and perhaps not even copy the other council members, because once you do, if somebody, other council member, decides to respond, then you run into the problem that I'm talking about. So, you know, when that open meetings law was written, it just raised all kinds of problems with the email, usage of email, but we got to deal with it, and we got to live with it, and that's the way it is, and certainly I can't change it. I just have to be careful that we abide by it. And so probably enough said on that issue, and if anybody wants to call me and talk about it further, I'm certainly open to do that, but hopefully my memo explains it for you.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Anything else?